Arlene Felder with Mixing It Up with Glassy Brown. Listen, I've been craving some seafood macaroni and cheese. The only person that I know that makes the best seafood macaroni and cheese is Darlene, and she is the owner of Star Fusion. Make sure you follow her. Star Fusion. Yes, Star Fusion Restaurant over in Philadelphia makes the best seafood macaroni and cheese. But since I haven't been able to get over there, I decided to make my own. Here's the ingredients. Y'all ready for this? Let's go. Rizzoni? Is it rizzoni? Manzoni? Maybe rizzoni. Macaroni noodles. Raw shrimp. Scallops. Crab meat. Velveeta. Cracker Barrel extra sharp cheese. If you don't have extra sharp cheese in your macaroni is trash. Trust me, it's trash. Extra sharp. Evaporated milk. You have seasoning salt. You have garlic, basil, pepper, Himalayan salt if you want it, or some regular salt. And my favorite, Sassoon. I put that shit on everything. Yes, I do. But listen, you can't have a cooking video unless you have some gloves. Don't nobody want to see any of y'all cooking without gloves. That's nasty. You don't know what's going around right now. Y'all know that COVID-19 is going around. You need your gloves. Put your gloves on, okay? Put your gloves on. Now let's get mixing.
The first thing you want to do is boil your noodles. I like to have my noodles a little firm. Some people like their noodles soft, but the firm works for me. Then you want to stir it up. Just mix it up a little bit because you don't want it to get stuck together. Drain your noodles. After draining your noodles, you want to start cooking your milk. Add your cheese. Add whatever flavored cheese you would like. I just like the extra sharp cheese. That's my favorite. Cut it up. After cutting it up, because you want to cook all the way through, you want to mix it up. Mix that cheese up together. Then start boiling your shrimp. Make sure it's cooked, get a little pink. Then pan fry your shrimp and your scallops. After doing so, add your favorite seasonings. You can use a seasoning of choice. Also, you want to put your noodles in a pan. Once you put your noodles in the pan, add 2 eggs to your mixture so it can stick together. After adding your 2 eggs to the mixture, add all the other favorite seasonings that you would like to add, or the seasonings that I've placed in the information below. Basil, Sassoon, Old Bay, you can do that. I like basil, Sassoon, and Old Bay. You can add your shrimp and scallops and your crab meat now. Mix it together. Oh, that looks good. That looks so delicious. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. Then you want to add your cheese. Don't forget to add your cheese. That's very important. Then you want to mix your cheese together. Oh my God, look at that. Doesn't that look scrumptious? Just mix it all together. Mix your cheese thoroughly. Yes. Stir it up. Add more cheese. At this point, if you would like, you can add more seasoning if you choose to. Add a little bit of Old Bay on top of it. Mix it together. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Then you want to place it in the oven. Take the time out and place it in the oven. Once you place it in the oven, I guarantee you, your seafood baked macaroni and cheese is going to be absolutely delicious. Make sure you put it in there for 350 degrees at 1 hour, and that's so delicious. Seafood macaroni and cheese.
Okay, people, now for the moment of truth. I actually started scooping some of the macaroni already. I know. I put a little bit more in this plate. Oh, boy. That's good. That's real good. So, let's go. Y'all ready? You sure y'all ready? You sure you ready? Let's see. Mmm.
Hey, Mom, can I try some?
Mm-hmm. Hey, everybody, welcome to the show, my daughter.
Hi.
Here, you can have some of mine. Don't try that at home.
Oh, this is good.
You like
It's
it?
real good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, my sister. You got to get your own. Enjoy!